Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Mars in the 12th house. Mars in the 12th house. Helping others. Manage. Hospital. Jail. Secret. Investigate. Sleuth. You can work in regards to laws. You may have problems with exchange, chemical metabolism. You may have leg or knee problems. You may suffer from joint problems, arthritis. You may get infections, virus. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Go to the website astro5s.com and follow these instructions.